how you doing? This is how you use the object selection tool. Stay tuned. All right, so the object selection tool, right? Now, the object selection tool is located right here. This is it right here, right? You can just click it and click the layer you want to work with. And believe it or not, but the computer already knows which object you are likely to pick, right? It knows which object you are likely to select, right? So it has already scanned the document, and it knows which object are you planning to pick, right? It's called machine learning, right? It's called machine learning. So it's obvious that the object is going to be the human women right there, right? So even if you have, without even doing anything, just by selecting the tool and just hovering on top of the document, right, you can see that the computer is giving you hints like, is it this one? Are you doing this, right? It's giving you suggestions, right? So I'm gonna hover from the top, I'm gonna go left, right? I'm going down. See that? I'm hovering. Boom. You see that? Let's hover back again. Boom. You see, I'm not clicking anything, right? Hover back, hover around. You see? It sort of knows that you wanna select the woman. So the tool is already working without even me explaining it, right? Great. Now, when you hover like this, right? Now, by the way, this is a document that has only one object that is likely to be picked, right? Even though there was another object around here, right? Maybe another person here, it was gonna do the same thing. It was gonna select the person and then select this one. So the other person would be blue and this one will be blue. So you just have to pick which one is it, right? Even if it's both of them, right? But this time it's pretty obvious it's this one, right? And the tool is like, okay, pick this one, right? All you gotta do is click, right? And then you get a selection. Or you can just come up here, right? In fact, you know what? Let me do it like this. I'm gonna first do this example, and then I'm gonna show you when do you actually use this select subject right here, right? I'm gonna show you. So right now I'm gonna come here, and then I'm gonna click to confirm to the computer that I am actually selecting this thing. Great, just like that. Right now, there is a selection right there. As you can see, the matching ends and everything is selected almost perfectly, right? And now you could do whatever you want to do. Control J, and just make a layer out of it, and that's a cutout. Of course, you could always fix up some mistakes. You know, you could fix up some mistakes. It's the same thing, right? You could, use another tool to sort of add up on all of this, right? All of this right here. As you can see, when I zoom in a little bit, right? You see this selection right here? It's not selected, right? When I hover in the selection, it shows that everything is selected. You could see, but you could tell by the white pointer, right? But when I hover away, it says add another selection, right? Like that. See that? Yes. Now let's put like maybe this car in here, right? And okay, whatever. Let's just zoom it, zoom like that. Transform. Sorry, I like zooming, right? Okay. Now in this car, right? Again, click. In this car, right? I'm not gonna do hovering and all that. I'm gonna just come up here and then select subject. Okay, the computer is gonna just render the whole thing and just scan through the picture, and then it's gonna know which object, or rather subject, that's what they say, to pick, right? And it's gonna just, select it, right? Are you ready? Let's do it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do it, right? You don't have to, undergo a lot of, tracing, and, just use the quick way to select something and just let the machine learning take over. You see that? Yes. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the quick selection tool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and like.